Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your 401k into Robinhood using the do-it-yourself option. First, open the Robinhood app and head over to the retirement section. If you don't have an IRA yet, set one up. It only takes a minute. Select roll over an old 401k, then choose the do-it-yourself option. Enter your personal details and search for your former employer or provider to locate your old retirement account. Log in to that account and request a rollover check made payable to Robinhood. Once you receive the check, follow the deposit instructions in the Robinhood app and mail it in. And that's it. Once the transfer clears, your funds will show up in your Robinhood IRA and you'll be ready to start investing. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.